Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a team on Asana. So it's actually really simple. And in order to create a team, you just head over to either here, create on top, or on this create, clicking on the plus button. Sorry. And now you just add a team name. You can invite members by just typing down their emails. You can type in as many members as you want, and then it will send an invitation link to them through their mail. And you can choose whatever team privacy you want this to be, but I think you only have membership by request if you don't have Asana Premium, as shown by what I have here. Alright, so next is that after you create a new team, you will be sent to a new page where you see all the team's projects as well as the team's templates, which can only be accessible once again by Asana Premium, which is very sad. And you can also add goals and forms. So it might look similar to projects, but it's really different. It's more like the planning rather than the tasks that you have. So that's it. That's how you create a team on Asana. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.